their families prior to today's game. As important members of the senior class, two of our Sycamore student managers will work their final home game today. Please join us in honoring them. Senior Jacob Dunn, who's escorted to the court by his father Kenny Dunn, as well as his grandfather Kenny Dunn Sr. And also Nate Bingham, escorted on the court by his parents Brett and Rhonda Bingham, as well as his sister Chelsea Bingham. And now the senior members of the team. Our first senior is a native of Kansas City, Missouri, and has spent 2 years in the Sycamore basketball program after transferring from Coffeyville Junior College. One of the most important players in the Missouri Valley Conference this season, he averaged 10.2 points per game. He ranks in the Valley top 10 this season for scoring with 3 points per game. He posted 14 double-digit scoring efforts and scored a career high 22 points in this season's road victory over Evansville. Escorted on the court by his parents, Lewis and Valerina Cummings, Sycamore fans, senior DeJuan Cummings. The next senior, the native of Athens, Alberta, has spent 3 years in the Sycamore basketball program after transferring from Gonzaga. He represented Indiana State as a member of Team Canada last summer at the World University Games. He scored a career high 27 points in the junior against Southeastern Conference champion Old Dominion in the Diamond Head Classic. This year, he's averaging 11 points per game as well as 4.4 rebounds. He ranks in the top 15 of the Missouri Valley Conference in rebounding as well as 3-point goal percentage. A preseason All-Missouri Valley Conference honorable mention. He scored in double figures 17 times this season. Sycamore fans, let's welcome senior Manny Ayra. Our next honoree is a native of Marshall, Illinois, and has spent the last 5 years as a member of the Sycamore basketball program. He is joined by his twin brother Logan during the first 2 years at Indiana State and has been described by many as the ultimate teammate. He went a perfect 7 for 7 in a 3-point range against High Point last season and set a new school record. He's been a part of 77 career victories at Indiana State, which ranks him in the top 5 at Indiana State, and as a member of the 2011 Missouri Valley Conference championship team, which has managed the program forever in the NCAA tournament. Last season, he was named to the All-Missouri Valley Conference Colorado second team and was nominated for the Logan Senior Class Award. Escorted on the court by his parents, Fred and Janet Idle. Ladies and gentlemen, senior Lucas Idle! Our final senior is a native of Terre Haute, Indiana, has spent the last 5 years as a member of the Sycamore basketball program, and his name can be found all over Indiana State and Missouri Valley Conference record book. He is the only player in the history of the Missouri Valley Conference to score at least 500 career assists and 500 career-made free throws. He enters his final home game with 565 career-made free throws, a new school record once held by Larry Bird. He ranks second in career assists with 581 and fourth in steals with 199. His 1,495 career points ranks him second in school history, with the other belonging to Larry Bird himself. Last season, he became the first Sycamore to earn all Missouri Valley Conference first team honors. He has 77 career victories to rank in the top 5 at Indiana State and a member of the 2011 Missouri Valley Conference championship team that advanced to the NCAA tournament. Escorted onto the court by his parents, Mike and Jane Ogo, and Grandma Sandy, please welcome senior Jake Oda! Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for the members of the Indiana State University senior class.
safe. He's directly responsible.
For all your friends at Deaver Distributing and Budweiser, please designate a driver.